good morning, kids. Today is Tuesday. It's our science subject for today. So, let's hear our lesson for today about the ears and the loud and sound music. Okay. Hi, kids. So, we're on our science subjects. I have here the different descriptions of the things that have sounds. We have here the popcorn. What is the sound of a popcorn? Then you have here the cymbals. What is the sound of the cymbals? We have here the ambulance. What is the sound of the ambulance? You can hear around, especially today pandemic. Then we have here the telephone, the roar of the tiger, the thunder, afraid, the thunder, and we have here the piano. What kind of sounds that it produces? Okay, so I have here. I will show you the some of the things that have sounds. First, we will discuss about the soft sounds or the things that have soft sounds. Okay, number one is the sounds of the piano. The sound of the piano is soft. Okay, okay, and then the next one is the wind blowing. That is the sounds of wind. It is soft. Okay, piano and wind have a soft sounds. And then we have here the drip of the water. Pluk, 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 pluk. That is the drip of the water is soft sound. Soft sound. Okay. Then we have here the violin. The violin have a soft sound. So have the violin have a soft sound. Then we have here the birds chirping. It is soft sound, pleasant in our ears. Then we have here the clock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It has a soft sound. Okay, the clock. So we have our those are the things have a soft sound. Clock, tick tock, tick tock. Birds chirping, tweet, 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 tweet. The violin. Then we have here the water dripping, plop, 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 plop. Then we have here the piano. Then we have here the wind blowing. And now we're on our loud sounds. What are the things that have loud sounds? It is harmful in our ears sometimes if we are so near. So number one, we have here the ambulance. The ambulance here is wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. So that is the sound of an ambulance if there's an emergency going to the hospital. Okay, and this one we have here the police car. Wee-oo, 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 wee. The police car is searching for a bad guy. So the police car, the mobile have a loud sound so they can catch the bad guy. Okay. Then we have here the fire truck. Also, that's a loud sound. Wee wee, almost the same for the ambulance, but it's wow, wow, wow. It is loud because it is emergency. There is far out somewhere, so the fireman have a loud sound. Okay, then we have here the speaker. When you have the speaker in the house, so it is sometimes it is you can hear a loud sound from the speaker. Then we have here those so afraid thunder. With the storm, there's so heavy rains, we can hear a loud thunder before the heavy rain. Then we have here the whistle. The policeman usually use this one for able them to catch the bad guy. Okay, so those are the loud signs: whistle, thunder, speaker, fireman. We have here the ambulance and the car, police car. Okay, so those are we have here the soft and the loud sound that we hear by our ears. So okay, so tip for caring our ears: don't put your ears near the sound of near a loud sound, because our ears might get broke or break of the, okay, and you always clean your ears. That's it for now, the loud and sound music and how we will take care of our ears. So please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos of our tutorial for you kids. Bye.